Here is the money we agreed upon.
Thank you, sir. May God keep you.
So the brakes are completely seized on the rear, right?
Both sides are locked solid. We tried everything.
Okay, understood. I'll use the flatbed winch slowly.
Morning. Quite the beauty you got here. Ready to get her loaded up.
Yeah.
Quite the project you got there. We can definitely get her running again, but it's gonna take some work.
See the oxidation here on the Rosso Red. The rust blooms are quite deep, and the wheels and skirts are completely corroded. I'm just making a note of the damage.
Here's the key fob. The engine light came on yesterday.
All right, we'll run diagnostics and get back to you.
Here are the keys to your Aventador. Enjoy the drive.
Spekjobbaren så høyst trained her, direkte. Et 20 to 10 om dagen.